I was happy on Monday. The lawyer, Muriu, was able to reach out to me. He gave me the refund of the 10% deposit, and I moved out. And there was a question that I moved out at night. It's because during the day I was working. And actually I worked on that day until about 9 p.m. So when I came home, I saw he had already released the deposit into my account. I searched for a house, and within an hour, I had a new home, very new. So it was a blessing in disguise. Okay. Yes.
But he has claimed that there was no sales agreement.
We did. I signed my part. Maybe he had not signed his part, but I had already done what he wanted. The 10% that he wanted, and had signed on my part. So maybe on his side he had not done it. And it was not something big. We should have discussed it. If he had gotten another buyer, I had no issue.